Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Daily Drug Info, and don't forget to subscribe Daily Drug Info to watch new videos. Today I will describe drug generic name acetaminophen, its classification, indication, dose, strength and adverse effects. Drug generic name acetaminophen, its classification, analgesic, indications are analgesia and fever, dose, oral formulation, adult take 1 gram every 6 hours, maximum dose 4 gram per day. Pediatric dose 10 to 15 mg per kg every 6 hours interval. Strength are available in injection formulation 1 gram per 100 ml, in tablet formulation 500 mg, in syrup formulation 120 mg per 5 ml and 250 mg per 5 ml. Infant drops available in 80 mg per 0.8 ml. Rectal suppository 120 mg per suppository. Adverse effects are thrombocytopenia, agranulocytosis, pancytopenia, hemolytic anemia, hypoglycemia, hypothermia, pancreatitis, hepatotoxicity with overdose, hepatic necrosis, rashes, and hypersensitivity. Thank you for watching Daily Drug Info.